Alright, so what is good, everybody on YouTube? This is of course your boy B, Bullet RC, coming at you guys again with yet another, I was gonna say yet another banger, but you guys feel like I betray you when I reverse another, so I don't wanna do too much on y'all. Now today, listen, like I said, we got two shoes to unbox, both of them bangers. One of them I really want to see, I know you guys really want to see, and can y'all also just let me know how I'm looking right now? I did go out and I got the Sony a7 III, put the f2 28mm on it right now. It's a prime lens, so I'm trying out something a little bit different. I usually will be shooting on my GH5, which is back there, but the autofocus kind of killed me, you know. It was a little bit off, and with this camera I can do this. Hold on, let's see if it catches right. Blam, autofocus is nice and easy. Y'all see the gold knife I pop? I mean, it's easy. I come back, set the knife down, and I'm back in focus like it's nothing. So yeah, man, a new cam. Let me know how it's looking, and make sure if you're watching this video right now, drop a like on this bit. Now, here are the two boxes that we have. First up, I got this one for retail. Shouts out to the homie R. I don't know if he wants me to say his name on the channel, but I went for this shoe. I missed out on this shoe, and he actually was able to secure it for me on Nike sneakers. Now, this shoe right here has caused me a lot of headache for the last 24 hours. And I actually got this shoe early off of IG. Somebody had hit me on IG. I'm assuming they watched the channel. And basically we have a deal. Now I haven't paid him yet. And hold on, the reason I haven't paid him yet is because I've never done any deals with him. And I said, listen, man, as soon as I unbox these joints on camera, I will pay you. Now we're gonna talk about the problem with this package in a second, because USPS, you need to fix your shit. Now let's go ahead and get into this box right here. And yes, I will go ahead, hold on, let me look over here. I will go ahead and bring back the choir stand. Now let's get into this box. Now this shoe right here, yes sir, I was waiting for, and I've been waiting for, and once again, bro, like at this point, if something drops on Nike sneakers, I'm just gonna assume that I'm getting the L. Tried for the Travises this morning, got the L. Tried for the Travises on traviscott.com, got the L. Tried for the Yeezys last night, got the L. And yes, I know that all those things are not on sneakers, but it's just so many delayed W's needed right now. Tried for these on sneakers and didn't get them, and just luckily enough, my homie got them. So as you guys can see, let's go ahead and pop this box open. Nike, just do it. As soon as you see the box, I mean, this is the receipt, but as soon as you guys see the box, you should kind of already know what's going on. Maybe you don't, maybe you won't, but this is the box right here. You got the Nike box, super crazy pattern on the top, and you should already know where that pattern is from. All over black Nike box. Of course, Nike is glossy. And let's go ahead and take these bad boys out of the box. Toss that right there, and let's go ahead and get into these real quick. Air Force 1 premium clot in a size 11.5 men's. USD retail was hefty. I'm not gonna lie to you. USD retail was hefty at $250. But I know if I didn't just spend that $250, which was $265 with shipping and tax, I believe, I was gonna have to pay resale, and I'm not paying resale. Not for this particular pair of shoes. So let's go ahead, slide the box open. Go ahead and place that bad boy right there. Matter of fact, okay, I'm just checking how I'm framing right now. Let's go ahead. Yes. The smell test on these? Yeah, the smell test is crazy. Come on, bro. I told y'all already. Y'all already know the deal. I told y'all about these. The all over blue silk Clot Air Forces, bro. Peep these. That silk on the upper is just, it's hitting, and the autofocus, yo, we hitting right now. Comes with the gray laces, got the all over gum bottom on the outsole of these bad boys. Nike Air on the back. All in all, I mean, you guys already know, I was really trying to get this shoe. In my opinion, it's kind of more of a niche sneaker, and the fire in the background right now in the hot videos, it's perfect for the shoe that we're talking about. But yes, the Clot Air Force 1. Now, of course, the uppers on these, you can take the uppers completely off. I've seen people burn it off, tear it off. There's a lot of different ways that you can actually do it. Now, I would tear these up if I had two pairs. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go through that process of tearing these bad boys down, but as you guys can see, yes, we were able to grab these for retail, the Clot Air Force 1. I'm just trying to make sure I got the framing right on these bad boys. But yes, the Clot Forces, I mean, I'm pretty sure y'all can see that detail. That detail is super crazy on the upper, and that detail is going through the whole shoe, as you guys can see. So that was the first pickup. the Clot Air Force 1. And once again, I was able to get these for retail because the homie helped me out. Nike sneakers, bro, I have no clue what is going on with that app. It does not like me anymore. Everything that I try to get on that joint, it's just ass, bro. It's just kind of ass. But that is not all. Can I say this though? USPS. If someone pays $60 for a shoe to get shipped overnight, do not delay their package a night. That's why I spent $60 to get them to me early. And now I'm unboxing them on release date when I was supposed to have these joints yesterday, and I was gonna drop the review today. Now with all that out of the way, listen, we're not playing games, okay? I don't think y'all gonna mind me just cutting this bad boy open. And as soon as y'all see what's inside, y'all already know what the deal is. Some of y'all might have peeped the flannel colors and kind of seen what I was going for. Oh yeah, I mean, oh, you see that? What's that? What's going on? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What are these? What kind of box? Why is the box tan and blue? Okay, let's go ahead and take these joints out. And as you can see, yes, he did actually include the receipt in here. And as I said, buddy, you will be getting paid. As soon as I get done talking about these, I'm gonna hit you on IG. You're getting your money because I just need to go ahead and check this shoe out to make sure they're legit, especially if I'm paying with PayPal gift. That shit don't come back. But yes, as you guys can see, we have this big all over like yellow pastel tan box. And if this is the box, you guys already know what the shoe is, but just to give you guys a better closer up look, you guys can kind of see the box. Flip into the label. Air Force 1 low Cactus Jack. We go to this side, I'm pretty sure it says Cactus Jack Records as well. Got another Cactus Jack logo on the back. And then right here we have the OG La Flame smiley face. On the bottom is just regular. Now let's go ahead and peep these bad boys out. And now it is time. I'm looking right here so y'all can see, but do I need to say much more? What do I need to do? Y'all already know what the deal is. The Cactus Jack Air Force 1. So at this point, I have most of them. Most of the ones that I actually want, I have. I feel like there's one I'm missing. There's like one Cactus Jack shoe that I want that I'm missing. But yes, I was actually able to grab these right here. Now, of course, that is one shoe. Let me go ahead and see if there's anything else in the bottom of the box. No, you guys can see. Blam, that is the other shoe right there. And like I said, I'm gonna try to get a review up for these like ASAP. At least one to get on camera. I need to test out my new lens, my new camera setup, and just at least go over some first impressions of them. Now, this whole like sheath thing, this whole zipper thing on the top, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, that will more than likely be coming off. Of course, for the on feet, I'm gonna leave it on at least one shoe because to lace all the laces through this, you have to relace the whole shoe. And I ain't gonna lie to y'all, y'all know me, bro. I am lazy, but let's go ahead and at least get some, you know, unzip action going on so you guys can see what the inside of this bad boy looks like. It actually comes with paper on the inside of the zipper, as you guys can see. Take that off, you see some of the plaid, see the dark brown, just a lot of small little details. My box is falling, but a lot of small little details going on in the shoe, and it's just a lot going on, period. So I got a lot of mixture of materials. You got canvas, suede, so it's like this fuzzy material back here in the back. Of course, oh, this is my whole shit. It just ceased to exist right then.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Okay. We're back in frame, we're fixed. And here's the other shoes you guys can see. Overall, I mean, the quality, the details, the look of the shoe is just very, very out there. Definitely a fall ready sneaker. And I've actually seen people putting these laces right here, these really light color beige laces as well in the shoes. And I think that actually looks really good. You take the sheath off, put those light beige laces in, and you're good to go. But like I said, man, we're just unboxing. This is just first looks, and I need to go ahead and make sure I'm working on this review today. Y'all just bear with me. I'm trying to learn this new camera. I'm just hoping everything looks good at this point, hoping the mic is recording correctly. because I mean, I can't do the unboxing twice. Anyways, man, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick look at the new Clot Forces as well as the Cactus Jack Air Force 1. You guys know I was in a copy. You guys know I was looking for them. And USPS, yo, stop fucking up. Get people stuff to them on time. Trust me, I will have the homie call and we are getting some money back on shipping. I would say frugal boys for that, but these shits were expensive. Anyways though, man, that is it. Much love to all the fam, followers, and of course supporters. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Snapchat. The Snapchat is bull.cb, by the way. Here, there, blah blah blah. Of course, I mean, I got them. I got a few pairs right here. BulletRC, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Remember, new Sample Industries drop is tonight, the fully loaded collection. Be looking out for that, and be looking out for the review on these bad boys right here. Y'all let me know too how the camera's looking. Y'all be easy though. Peace. I've been spinning the music, bigger than diamonds on Josie.